What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. D-Max Pierce here, back with another video. So last up on the channel, we did an install for some new LED bulbs for the headlights. So you can tell that the LED headlights and the fog lights do not match anymore. The fog lights are a lot more yellow. That'll help give you an idea of the color difference. So today we're going to take our new LED fog light bulbs. They're going to be the same as the headlights at 6,000 K. I believe these are 9202 size bulbs for the fog lights in my 2015 GMC 1-ton. So let me turn the lights off and I'll show you how to peel the old ones out so we can put these new puppies in. Okay, we'll start with the driver's side. So to get this fog light out, the easiest way to do it's probably going to be to crank this tire all the way to the opposing side. And I'll show you what it looks like underneath. I got some trimming done, so this might look a little different. Okay, let's see. So your fog light is right there, if you guys can see that. So there's a little clip on there. You want to take the clip off. How do I get the camera in here? Okay, I can't do it with one hand. Let me set the camera down and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finally got the bulb out of the socket. A good trick for you. Go ahead and peel this ring on the outside off. There's just 3 clips here on the other side. And you can kind of see through there to help push the 2 pins. So these 2 pins on the sides, you push these in and it pops out of the socket. And then this little pin, or this little push right here, you press that in and the whole bulb comes off. So here's the new bulb compared to the old bulb, a lot different. So what you do, what was plugged in here, just plugs in there. So hopefully you can only do this one way. And by the way, these are 5202 bulbs, not 9502. All clicked in, ready to go. Now you just gotta shove this back in your fog light spot. I will put the camera back down because I cannot do it with one hand. Alright, I got the first one in. It's looking sweet. Let's throw this cap back in. How did it go? Like that. There we go. Alright, we're all good on this side. Here's the comparison. Wait for it. Boom! It matched the headlights perfectly. And this ugly yellow is no more. So on this side, let me turn these lights off and I'll show you what I had to do on this side. It's a little tight in there, so I had to take it out from the front. All you do is yank up on the bottom one first. That's an adjustable screw to up and down adjust. And then you pry back on these. Careful not to break it. Otherwise you'll have to buy a new one. So let me turn these off and I'll put this last one in. Same process as before. Press this big clip. And release the whole housing. Now, these 2 pins, you squeeze them together, and then it pulls right out like that, side by side. So we'll go ahead, put this in, let it click, boom. And these right here, so same issue you can have with headlights. If you put these in backwards, the bulb won't turn on. It happened to me on the first one, so I had to take it all back apart and flip it around. What's weird is the clips are as if they're supposed to go like this, but the other one worked when I put it in like this, so we're going to try it like this. Even though the clips don't line up, it shouldn't fall out. Okay, there's that. Before you turn it back on, make sure it, or before you put it back in, make sure it works. Let me go flip it on right now. Yep, so that was right. Put this clip in backwards. It might not be the same for every brand bulb, but this works for now. Matches perfect. So what you want to do to put this back in here, so you guys can see what I'm doing back here. That little thing, this silver piece on the bottom, that little screw, needs to go in there first. So, well, that was not happening, trying to get the screw into the grommet inside there. So I took it off of the fog light thing right here, and then I just put it on the screw. Now we're gonna try and put it in there like this. Can you see in there? Where's the hole? There it is, come on. Okay, it's in. Now, put this ring back on. Oh, I pray this light works. Oh no, it's cockeyed in there. You can't really see with this flash on here. Okay, that was a pain in the butt, but we are done. Boom! LED fog lights and low beams, high beams. So, yeah, the mess I had to deal with over here, I basically had to take out the adjusting screw and then give it some more room. The bulb was hitting the frame in there, so I had to get some little clearance in there. So, but that's all for today, guys. The bulbs are all in and we are all done. So like this video if it helped you out, subscribe to my channel for more. It really helps me out. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.